It's Smooth 47, it's fucking underground. In today's video, we have a good one, boys. So we got my boy, Lostrushi here. This artist is incredible. Very, very, very underrated. I heard a few of his songs. I've never heard a sound like this before. This guy made his own sound. So this is, Lostrushi, this association of sisters. Let's hear it, right? This is one of the hottest songs I ever heard, bro. This is a straight fall classic, nigga. You feel me? Wait. This is a summer classic, nigga. You feel me? Who produced this? Hey! This shit's hot. Where's my phone at? Hey, we in the club, man. Hey, we in the club, man. I couldn't see. I had to put my glasses on, nigga. I knew something was missing, man. This shit's hot. Very, what can I say? It's very, weird song. I like it slow down too. We got 40K views, 1,000, 1,200, 1,200 likes. It's a hit in the making. We got Sykes at Anthem. Hopefully I said it right. We got Sykes Anthem in this bitch. It can't be helped. I feel you. It can't be helped, right? Shit can't be helped. We gotta keep on moving though. Yo, Lostrushi was good, man. Shout out 2006. Yeah. Yeah, we in the fucking club, nigga. I ain't say that shit in a minute. We gonna switch some shit around. This is what I'm talking about, man. This shit is different. This shit is hot. You feel me? This is what I'm talking about, man. This nigga's hot. Alright, so that was Sykes' anthem, man. I'm gonna give my overall opinion on this guy, man. This guy is insane, man. Like, y'all hear this shit? The guy's insane. So I'm gonna give my overall opinion on this guy, Lostrushi. Like I said, it is very, very uncommon to find somebody this talented. This guy will be one of the biggest artists I've ever seen on this channel. It's really rare to find somebody this early before they blow up. Last time I checked this guy views, man, all of his songs only had like 3,000. Now most of his songs have 50K. This guy's blowing up really fast. I could see him being like a Juice WRLD type guy. I'm not saying he sounds anything like Juice WRLD. The level of fame Juice WRLD had, this guy could possibly receive the Juice WRLD level of fame. Do I want to see this guy signed? Of course I want to see him signed, but you know, independent money is the best money. In the very, very beginning though, it is something worth more than money. You could be independent for the rest of your life, I don't care. But in the very beginning, once you have that exposure a label could give you, everything else is easy peasy. Once your contract ends, you could be independent. And I'm not really just talking to Lostrushi about this, I'm talking to you guys watching this video. Once you get that exposure in the beginning and that contract's up, go independent. But in the very beginning, guys, you need some type of push. I want to see this guy up there with Juice WRLD, man. It's Moon 47, it's fucking underground. I'm out. Yeah, man, we just found somebody before they blew up. Pretty rare too. I'm out, man.